First thing you're going to do is click the link below. It will take you to this page, and we're talking about call forwarding. So AiVoicePhone is always ready to answer your calls, but when it's on the clock, it's totally up to you. You control when AiVoicePhone is active by turning on call forwarding on or off for your business phone number. Forwarding calls to your custom AiVoicePhone number lets you answer calls, respond to customers, and handle things on your behalf without changing your existing number. The AiVoicePhone team will never interrupt your current service. So here's your number right here. Next, you need to decide which kind of call forwarding you would like. Conditional or regular call forwarding. Conditional call forwarding has your AI receptionist take your calls when you are busy, don't answer, or unreachable. Unconditional call forwarding is when a call comes in, it automatically goes to your AI receptionist. For this video, I will show you how to do conditional call forwarding for an iPhone. If you have an Android, please scroll down the page and find the Android video. First step is to turn off live voicemail as we showed you in the previous video. Next step is to find your cell carrier from the list on the left side of the page. This will take you to your codes. For this example, I will use Verizon. Next step is to go to your phone's dialer, like you are going to make a phone call. Type in the code exactly as it is displayed below. For Verizon to forward your calls when your number is busy, type in *90, then your AI receptionist number. My AI number is 50424933735. My entire code is *905 0424933735. Your code will be different based on carrier and your AI number. Once it is typed in, push the send or call button like you are making a call. If done correctly, a screen will come up showing you have forwarded your number. Go ahead and exit the screen. If the screen does not come up, rewind this video and try again. Next and most importantly is to forward your calls when you do not answer. For Verizon, your code is *92 and then your AI receptionist number. Push send, and then a confirmation screen will come up.